All right. Yep, we are ready.
Okay, so I'm gonna tell you about this person your dad probably knows. So this person is from India. Okay, so the story goes like this is a true story. The story goes like this. In the year 1913,
Uh-uh.
1913,
Keep it on. Keep it on.
a well-known mathematician, professor at Cambridge University in England, receives a letter. Okay? So let's just what it says. It's professor at Cambridge University. So Cambridge University is in, what did I say? It is in China or England?
Is it China or ENG? England, Raghav. China or England? Where's Cambridge? Come on, champion. He's trying to talk.
Okay?
Okay. It's one sec. Yeah. Okay. Is it in China or England? Where's Cambridge, Raghav? Final answer. China or England? It's in England.
Okay. The British mathematician's name was G.H. Hardy, Hardy, Professor Hardy. So he received the letter, and the letter came from India. The letter came from Japan or India.
Raghav, where did the letter come from? Did it come from Japan or India? And we're just trying to get your pointing going. That's all. That's the whole point of this. Is it from Japan or India? It came from India.
Yes. The letter was written by a person named Srinivasa Ramanujan.
Ramanuja, yes.
You know this story, right?
I don't know the story, but I have heard the name of this guy.
Okay.
Ramanuja. Ramanuja. Ramanuja.
Ramanujan. So the letter wasn't just a letter. It came with 11 pages of mathematical works. Ramanujan wrote that he came up with a formula that calculated the number of primes, we learned about prime numbers, up to 100 million without no error, with no error. And there are some very, very advanced formulas and equations all over in those 11 pages. Okay? And Professor Hardy had never seen some of the things that Ramanujan wrote. What do you think the professor thought? Do you think he was surprised?
Was
Because
it?
a lot of them he had never seen. Or do you think he was bored? Which word would you pick?
Okay, I can take this. Okay, you want it on? Okay. Okay. Do you think the professor was surprised to get the letter, or was he bored, Raghav? He was surprised.
Probably, right? So in the letter, Ramanujan wrote, I have had no university education, but I have undergone the ordinary school course. After leaving school, I have been employing the spare time, like free time, at my disposal to work at mathematics. Basically, he's saying, I don't have official college degree, college education, but I'm doing this for hobby. What do you think this guy was? was doing all those formulas and sophisticated equation without formal education in college. Do you think?
Let's use the board, Raghav. Yeah, let's see if you can spell, Raghav. Otherwise, we'll do choices, of course. Good job. He's putting on glasses by himself now. Okay,
Alright.
great. Raghav, what do you think? How would you describe this individual who wrote the letter? This is awesome. What you're doing, I'm so happy, Raghav. Like you can put your glasses back on by yourself. Okay, how would you describe this individual, Raghav? This Mr. Ramanujan. He's a G, okay, E N I U S. He is a genius.
In fact, he was. So, Professor Hardy showed the letter to his colleague, and they studied Ramanujan's works. And they concluded that there were many new, interesting, and important ideas. So, like you said, he was a genius. And some of the equations he wrote looked very weird at the time, but actually those weird equations would make sense in the future. Like there are things like quantum field theory and those things that developed later than 1930. In those fields, those weird equations make sense. So, you are right, he was a genius. And Ramanujan was only 23 years old.
So it was 23, Raghav.
And he was a shipping clerk in Madras, India. So, he had been just doing this without any help. And Professor Hardy thought he had found a second Newton. Okay, pay attention to this expression. He thought he had found a second Newton. So, you already said he was a genius. So this is what he's saying, Professor Hardy, by saying, I had found a second Newton. But I want you to recall, what was the name for this kind of expression? There is a name. This kind of expression, he was a second Newton.
Okay.
This one, it's a language difference.
Oh, keep it here. Okay. What do we call this, Raghav? He is a second genius. What would you call this type of expression? It's a what? Let's go one by one. I don't know, Asaka. I don't remember. But okay.
It is a name. So instead of saying directly he's a genius, he's saying.
Okay. Tell me what it's called. This is called a. Let's use this board. I think I know what this is called. This is called a. Which one? H or M? H or M? Which one? M. Okay. M. M what? Okay, you're all over the place. You're going in the right direction. Let's hit at the right place, Raghav. Touch it the right place. E. Oh,
Yes.
go right on the top. I need you to go right on the letter. E. Okay, what's next? P to Z. Okay. Go right on the letter, please. T. A to O. Okay. Go. Keep going, keep going. Let's finish the letter. Now make sure it does not break. And you're doing pretty good with glasses, but these are the only glasses we have. We don't want to break them. They'll pop out. Let me help you. Okay. M-E. Okay. P to Z. M-E. Go, 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 go. T. Okay. M-E-T. Here's the movement of the board. Okay. A to O. Here you go. A. Okay. Go. Meta. Meta what? Let's finish it up. Right hand pointer, please. P. Okay. H. O. R. He's saying metaphor.
That is correct. It's a metaphor. Very good. Okay. So Professor Hardy brought Ramanujan to Cambridge University.
Keep it on. Keep it on. Keep it on.
And they collaborated.
No, you cannot go. You need to take a 30-second break. 30 seconds break. You have to come back. And we need to keep the lesson going. She's waiting. Uncle is waiting for us. Can we just run away from the lesson? Let's go finish. Let's finish. Good job. We are going to finish. I'm sure she has some questions for you. More like mathematical questions too. Alright, we are back.
Okay. And so they collaborated and they worked on advanced mathematics and they contributed to important fields, especially those fields that future mathematicians worked on. So now there's a famous story about them. Okay. So Ramanujan was sick often. And so one time he was hospitalized and professor took a taxi to visit him at the hospital. So when he arrived, professor told Ramanujan that the taxi's license plate had this number, and this was like not significant, just boring number, the professor said. This was this boring number 1729.
1729. Let me write that for you. 1729, Raghav.
Professor was saying, no, it wasn't any special number, the taxi number. Ramanujan stated on the spot that this number was actually very interesting because it is the smallest number representing in two ways as a sum of two cubes. Cubes. So remember cubes. We've done cubes. So you know squares, right? Like 4 squared. What is 4 squared?
Raghav, what is 4 squared? Raghav, 4 squared. What is 4 squared? Let's give me the answer on that. 4 squared. Come on, I'm sure you remember. 4 squared. 4 squared is, go right on the number please. Here we go. 4 squared is 1 and 6.
Okay.
What? Okay, let me ask you again. You said 1, 6. Is there any more after this? 1 and 6. Yep, that's it. 16, yes.
Okay, good. Okay, well, let's just warm up. We're doing squares first. Okay, how about 7 squared?
What is 7 squared, Raghav? 7 squared is? What is 7 squared? 4 and 4 and what? Raghav, you're doing 4, 8 minus. I need very precise answer from you. It's 7 squared is 4 and 9. Yes, 49. Yep.
Okay, just one more. 6 squared.
6 squared. What is 6 squared? I need you to go right on the number, Raghav. Okay? Go. Mr. Ramanujan, what is 6 squared? Right, I need you to go right on the number. Wherever you go, try to go right on the number. You need to hit the board. Give me your pointer, please. Like this. Wherever. You need to hear this sound. Do you see it? Okay. So what is 6 squared? Pointer. 6 squared is 3 and 3 and is it 3 and 7 or what? 3 and 6. Yeah. 6.
Okay,
Yep.
so you know squares, right? So you just do.
It's just that when he's touching again, we need to practice on his touching. He does, and then he goes all over the place. You just need to stop.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay.
So,
But I
you
know
go.
I know
Yeah.
you know square, right? 7 squared means 7 times 7. 6 squared means 6. 6 times 6. So cubes you just do 3 times, right? What is 2 cubed?
Raghav, can I explain this to him? Just one second. So Raghav, when we say 2 square, right? The math you would do is 2 times 2. So I can change this. This is also called the exponent. I can change this exponent to 3. So you can basically you have 3 times 2. 2 times 2 times 2. That's cubed. If I touch it, make it 4, then you have 4 2's. That's all you need to do. Okay?
So what is 2?
Don't throw the iPad, please. Keep it up. Sit back, sit back. He's coming back very tired from school.
Oh.
So he's taking a quick break. Come on, Raghav. He's doing good. Sako, he goes, he composes himself, comes back.
Excellent.
Yeah, that's what you're supposed to do, Raghav.
Excellent.
If you need to take a break, it's okay. Okay, Raghav, so we're talking about cubes. So, what? You have everything? Yeah. Okay. So 2 cube. What is 2 cube equals, Raghav? 2 cube equals? Okay. I can use this. If you want me to use this, I will use this. What is... Okay. What is 2 cube? Mental math. 2 cube, guys. He's saying 8.
Very good. What about 3 cube?
Okay, let's do 3 cube. Okay. So 3 cube is 3 times 3 times 3, right? That's 3 cube. What is 3 cube? It is 2 and 7, 27.
Yes. You know cube, right? So let's go back to
Oh, leave my record. Here.
Ramanujan was saying 1729 is the smallest number which can be represented in 2 different ways as the sum of 2 cubes. Okay, write this.
Okay. This is same as 1 cube plus 12 cube and also 9 cube plus something. Okay.
Okay, so let's find out if he was right. Okay, let's do 12 cube.
Oh my god, Raghav, that's complicated. So before he goes there, let me just show it to him.
Yeah.
Okay. Because I'm writing it too big actually.
Okay.
So Raghav, 1729, it can be written in 2 ways, right? So that's the Sarko is talking about. So it's 1 cube plus 12 cube.
Well, so first of all, what is 1 cube?
What is 1 cube? Oh, that's so complicated, Raghav. What is 1 cube? 1. It is 1.
Okay, so can you check? 12 times 12 times 12, can you do that? Let's do 12 times 12.
Okay, 12 times 12. Raghav, let's see if you can do mental math on 12 times 12 first. And then we'll do the multiplication. This is good. We have been practicing multiplication, which is okay.
Okay.
Okay, what is 12 times 12, Raghav? It is 1 and 4 and 1 and 4 and what? 4, 144, yeah.
Good. Okay, so now we have to do 144 times 12. We have to write it.
Okay, so this is what we are going to do, 144 times 12. Okay, let's do it. Okay. Okay, what goes in the units place? 8, and then what's next?